sponsored, by the way. So let's get started. Let's dump all this off. First things first, we have Reptar bars, because buy one, get two. And it says that it'll dye your tongue green. Next up, we have these stupid burgers, and they're called everything burgers. And I'm guessing we're not making them. And last, we have Pocky Sticks, but we have Oreo this time. So let's get started. We're going to do the Reptar bar last. So let's get into these everything burgers first. How do you open this? I don't know how. I don't know the way. There we go. So it comes in a lame package. That sucks. Oh, never mind. So let's take one of these out. Yep. As I thought, it was going to be cheaply made and not even look like a burger. So basically, they took 2 pieces of bread and smacked Nutella in the middle. It's not the best. I mean, if we were rating it, I'd give it a 5 for the aftertaste.
Casser pass.
I'm not doing that. Next, we're going to do the Pocky Sticks, and I'm pretty sure it's filled inside, so the chocolate's on the outside. Let's try to open this up. Okay, random package. Let's see. They do give you a lot inside, I can say that much. I can even feel. Yeah, it's a chocolate stick other than it's inside. So let's try this little baby out. It's harder than I expected. But you can taste the vanilla. It's like a cookie outside. Yeah, one more of those. Now what we all been waiting for. And let's read on how to eat it. Step 1. Tear and open. Step 2. Chomp. And step 3. Roar like a reptile. Let's open this sucker up. I failed already. Oh, nice. Okay, it looks like a normal chocolate bar. Oh, I thought it said something on the back, but it's just a bunch of scribbles. So should we tear it? Oh, it is green. Ugh. Ugh. It doesn't taste as good. I mean, it is from FYE, so I wouldn't trust them that much. I mean, it is green in the center, so that's a plus. But does it turn your tongue green? So we're gonna try to finish this off. I don't really want to, but...
What's your rating?
On the Reptar bar, 4. No. The inside's not the best. It tastes kind of funky. But I mean, the chocolate, it's chocolate, so I'll give it a 6. Because of the chocolate. The Pocky Sticks, well, the outside, I guess, is okay, but the inside is the best. So, like a 7. A 7.5. Still trying to finish up my Reptar bar. Yeah, I forgot one more thing. It said where is that? It said to tear open, which I did, and it said to chomp on it, and I did. I forgot one last thing. Now, I really don't want to do this, but I have to. I mean, I'm already turning into a reptar with my green hands. But let's do this. Roar! Roar! Most cringy video ever. I mean, it's good. Yeah. So if you didn't like this, you better like it. If you did like it, you better like it. And subscribe, because I know a lot of you won't subscribe. Now subscribe. I want to get a lot of viewers. Is my tongue green yet?
No.
Bruh.